Hi Clarity Magazine. I'm here with one of my team picks. My pick is the Body Shop Chamomile Cleansing Butter.
Hey guys, it's Imo here for my beauty team pick that we've been asked to do. I really love removing my makeup with coconut oil. Just because, like, especially with waterproof mascara, it comes off like an absolute breeze. You look like a panda for about 2 seconds, but then it comes off, and then the next day you don't have any of that really annoying like undershadow, like the bits that you've missed and everything.
It is the most delicious smelling cleansing butter in the entire world. It smells so relaxing. Comes in a tin, so it's great to reuse. You can use the tin for anything afterwards, and it's much better for the environment. So
I use Lucy B because she is flipping incredible, but you can basically use any other brand that you want to. So by doing this, it's been so flipping hot. I don't know if you can see, like, you can't really see it. It's like super runny, which is amazing. So I've got my reusable cotton pad or bamboo pad. So I'll just show you how I use it. I basically put it on my fingers and then shove it on. I'm going to try and show you how I use it, but it's quite hard. I don't have a mirror. I don't even know if I'm even in focus, so we'll give it a go. So I just kind of get little blobs of this. You can tell how much I've used of it, and this must be like my 5th or 6th tin. Pop it all over your skin. This is great in the evenings or in the mornings just to refresh your face. And then basically the whole thing just like removes itself so easily. And I've got like eyeliner on from like all day, so it's already like smudged a bit. So like rubbing it all in, like literally like panda eyes. I look like I'm gonna, yeah, just like a panda. And then like simply just like wiping it off and out. Once I'm done, you just wash it off with the flannel. I'll show you afterwards. But I just massage it into my skin. It's really lightweight but also moisturising, so if I'm having bad skin days I don't feel like it's really heavy or it's going to give me spots. But also on days when my skin's feeling a bit dry, it's really lovely. The smell is just so natural and lovely. And like I find sometimes, like if you use the wipes, you're just like constantly wiping and then your eyes sting afterwards for whatever reason. And it's probably with the chemicals, but this is like natural and it's like so good for your skin. And you know, everybody loves that holiday smell at the end of the day too. So I think I have pretty much, yeah, like it's just gone, totally gone, just like that. And that was like waterproof mascara, which is like frustrating. This is like great for festivals, great when you're out and about. I've also got like a little, oh it's so melty, I've got a takeaway tub as well, which is usually solid. Obviously not anymore. Oh, breathe it all in. It's so relaxing. And if the house has been manic, this is just the most lovely thing to do in the evening. And then I just massage it off my face. Just like this. It's a great exfoliator too. And I'll be glowing afterwards. Whew. That is my team pick. Ta-da! But yeah, that is my beauty tip, and it's super easy, and I love it so much. I'm going to go to bed smelling like holiday now. Bye!